Our cities are parched. Rising temperatures and unpredictable rainfall are causing severe water shortages. In many cities, the situation is critical. Groundwater levels are plummeting and residents are scrambling for every drop of water. But when rainfall finally does come, it often brings more problems than relief in some cities. Rainwater is unable to penetrate the ground and turns streets into rivers and parking lots into ponds. It's not just an inconvenience. It raises concerns about public safety. Flood wreak havoc on infrastructure, leading to increased maintenance costs for buildings. But what if there was a solution? A way to capture that rain where it falls and put it to good use? Introducing PrismPervia, the thirsty concrete that helps in groundwater recharge. Part of the green concrete prismatic range made to build a sustainable future. PrismPervia is a revolutionary solution for groundwater recharge that captures rainwater, allowing it to percolate into the ground and recharge our aquifers. It allows water to permeate through its surface, reducing runoff and facilitating groundwater recharge. By preventing floods, PrismPervia saves not only water but also reduces maintenance costs for buildings. Key advantages include eco-friendly, low maintenance, saves water, high porosity and strength. Say goodbye to water shortages and hello to sustainable and resilient cities with PrismPervia.